Hello, my name is Kenneth Wang, and today I'll be going over the final part of this momentum question. So, part C asks us, calculate the initial and final kinetic energy of the bumper carts. So, let's start off by writing our kinetic energy equation. So, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times mv squared. So, for initial, we're just going to calculate the kinetic energy of both the carts, add them up, and that's going to be our total initial kinetic energy. So let's do that. I'm going to do it all in one step since we're just going to add them together. So I'm just going to do right here 1/2 times 200 times, since it's moving at 6, we're going to do 6 meters per second. We're going to do 6 squared plus 1/2 times 150, which is the mass of the other cart, times 8 squared, and I'm just gonna plug this all into my calculator. Let's do 100 times 6 squared plus 75 times 8 squared, and our initial kinetic energy is 8,400 joules. And the second part of this question is really easy. It's just asking us to find the final kinetic energy. And as we previously found out in the part B of the question, we saw that the final momentum of the carts was 0. So if the final momentum of the carts is 0, that means the final velocity of the carts is 0. So if the final velocity is 0, that means the final kinetic energy is 0, because it's not moving at all. So I'll just write it out here. I'll just write this I for KE initial. So KEF for final is going to equal to 1/2 times the mass. We can just add the masses, but it doesn't really matter because the final velocity is 0. It's going to be 350 times 0, and we know when you multiply something by 0, it's 0. So our final kinetic energy of the carts is 0 joules. And that is the answer to this question.